drive away with my husband's pickup truck. At that point, I just closed the doors, and I told my children that we're going to wait for help to arrive before we go outside, even though I realized that my husband must have been shot and don't know whether he was still alive or whether he was dead.
I was shot through my 10th thoracic vertebra, and that the bullet had half injured my spinal cord, and that I would never be able to walk again. And then that was when I got the news that my wife was actually dead. So I might just spent my time in rehab and recovered to the extent where I could at least walk with 2 crutches.